Hey guys, today I am going to be doing a product review. A company called Mix Easy reached out to me and wanted to send me a shampoo and conditioner. So I said yes because I've been going through a lot of indecisiveness with my hair lately. This is all natural. I didn't do anything to it. This is just how my hair dries when I get out of the shower, and I use the products today. I've been using them on and off for about 2-3 months now. I don't use them regularly. I save them for special occasions, and I will get into that in a second. But I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys a little bit about this company. So Mix Easy is a small cosmetic company where you can customize your own shampoo, conditioner, facial cleanser, and facial cream, so moisturizer. They're natural and organic, vegan friendly, cruelty free. All of their products are handmade and customized for you. There are no harsh chemicals, toxins, dyes. They're not tested on animals. There are a couple of steps to follow to create your own customized cosmetic, shampoo, conditioner, whatever it is that you choose. So like I said, I have the shampoo and conditioner, and I basically made them about the same because I wanted the same kind of effect on my hair from each of the products. So the first step is to choose your product. As I said, you can choose from a shampoo, conditioner, facial cleanser, or moisturizer. And then your next step is to choose a base. So it goes for hair and skin. You can either choose oily, normal, or dry. I believe I chose dry. I don't remember, but I believe that I chose dry. And then the next step is to choose up to 6 natural ingredients, and I will go ahead and read off the ingredients that I chose for my shampoo and conditioner. Like I said, I chose basically the same thing for each of those products, and I will also explain to you the effects of each ingredient that I chose. And excuse me if I'm saying the words wrong. Some of these words are a little bit I don't know how to pronounce them. So arnica extract, which eliminates buildup, is the first one that I chose. Then propolis extract, which softens the hair. The next one was calendula, which is nourishing. Green coffee extract, which lengthens. Acacia extract, I know that I did not say that right, which is for anti-dry scalp, is what the definition was on the Mix Easy website. And then magnolia lily flower extract, which is supposed to reduce frizz. So those are all the things that I put into the 2 products that I chose. And then the next step is to choose a fragrance. You can choose from 4 different ones, one being fragrance-free, sunlight dance, bamboo and cucumber, or milk and honey, which is the one that I chose. I'm gonna try to explain the scent to you guys. It's almost got kind of a honey yogurt type of a smell to it. It's not what I was expecting it to be, but I really don't mind it. You can tell that it's a natural scent, which I like. So the conditioner, I believe the conditioner that I chose was $32, and then the shampoo was, I think it was $35. And like I said earlier in the video, I've been using these on special occasion, and that is because I've been switching between shampoos and conditioners for a while now. When I run out of one, I'll just start to use a new one, but this one has always been one that I kind of save for those special occasions because it makes my hair extremely soft. I can just run my fingers through it so smoothly and effortlessly, and it's just so light. And I don't know, it does something to my hair where it just makes everything feel really soft and fluffy and smooth. I don't even know how to explain it, but every time I use them, my hair just feels better. Right now I have a lot of product in it, but I can still get that milk and honey smell, and I can still tell that it just feels softer than it normally does. So I really do like these products. I probably will order more. Of course, I have less conditioner than shampoo because that's always what happens, but I do plan on getting more and mixing it up and customizing something a little bit different for next time, because I genuinely do like these products, and I don't know, they just have some crazy magical effect on my hair. I don't know how else to explain it, but they just make my hair feel so good. So I think that I've covered pretty much everything that I wanted to cover. I took notes. I tried to get in detail as much as I possibly could. So if you guys are interested in checking out this website and customizing your own products, it is mixeasy.com, as I said earlier, and you guys should just check it out and customize one for fun. I think it is fun to be able to, you know, have your own like ingredients that you chose, and you get to choose the fragrance, and I just think that's a lot of fun. So you guys should definitely check it out. Thank you Mix Easy for sending me these products. I really did enjoy them. So thank you guys so much for checking out this video, and I will see you guys next time.